Hello everybody, I am Juliet from E-Commerce Problem Solvers, and I wanted to ask a question. Do you really think that you can make money in real estate with no money down? Yes, yes you can. It's actually not that hard a process. It actually comes down to having the right strategies in order to do it. I am going to be doing several videos a week. I'm going to keep them very limited. I know everybody is so limited on their time that we don't have time to sit around and do necessarily an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'll be doing, 5-minute, 3-minute, 7-minute videos and discussing different ways that people can make money in real estate. So let's start with the no money down. So the way this works is that you, the investor, or the person who's looking to buy the house, the buyer, either way, would go out and you would research some properties and find a property where you can buy it for under the market price. Now we're going to go with the market price is $100,000. Let's say you buy that for $65,000. So you buy that property for $65,000, or you have a contract really because you're not buying it. You're giving the buyer a little bit of money to hold it. I'm going to say anywhere like maybe $500 to $1,000. You want to put that money down, but you want to make sure that you can kind of sell the deal ahead of time. And I'll explain that in another video. But so what you do is then you have them sign the contract with the terms that you set, and you give yourself, say, 6 to 8, 9 weeks, something like that, in order to sell the property. And you have them sign this contract that is assignable. That part is critical. It has to be an assignable property contract. And then you would go out and find somebody who wants to buy it. Well, if you're buying it for $35,000 under market, one example I can give you is that you could literally find somebody to buy that property now, that contract from you, and you're actually selling it for $70,000. So you walk away with $5,000 in your pocket. And then, of course, the deposit kind of all comes back to you because it comes off the purchase price of the house, whatever. Anyway, so you're walking away with $5,000. And, you just think about that. If you did that just one a month, and I know people who are doing way more than one a month. If you just did one a month at $5,000, at the end of the year, you're going to have $60,000. And that's, you're not rich, you're not going to go out and buy yourself a Ferrari, but you're not doing so horrible either. And this is a process of growth, because the more you do it, the longer you do it, the more connections you make, the faster it can happen. So these are ways that people really actually do make money in real estate with limited money down. It's not really no money down, but it's limited money down, because you have to give some money to tie up the contract. Otherwise, somebody would be able to come along and possibly get the deal out from under you. And I will get into some different strategies that you can use in order to do this. Or why don't you tell me what you want me to teach you, what you would like to learn. I would like to go down that path and teach you anything that you would like to learn. And with that, I'm going to say thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I also have a Facebook group, which I've just started, and it is Real Estate Investing for Beginners, and you're going to have to friend request me so I can pop you in the group. So thank you very much, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.